I am actually today helping my friend Anaïs redo her outdoor space. Just, get it ready for the nice summer season. She is an amazing friend of mine. She helped me film one of my most viewed video, if not the highest viewed video, which is my sewing room tour. So thanks again for that, girl. Today, it's my turn to help her out, and we are gonna be giving so much love and care to this beautiful, beautiful outdoor space of hers. It's actually going to be a pleasure to help a friend out. We're in a big city, and she gets to enjoy the birds in the morning, and what a wonderful space she has. It's about 200 square feet. 2 of the side walls are wood panels, and she also painted the wall behind me of this incredible, happy, bright yellow color with a friend of hers when she first moved. I think this completely transformed the space. That was such a great improvement. And can you hear the birds behind me? This is so distracting, but also so nice to hear, especially in a city. We also worked on the table last year, and we're gonna see if it needs a little bit more work or if we can go without sanding the table again. This space is already really nice. We're just gonna make it that much nicer. Let's get started. So we're starting off with just removing all of the spider webs, which I really don't mind doing because I actually really like spiders. Nice, cute little beings that just deserve love as much as other beings. Yeah, I'm just realizing I say that, but I'm destroying their home. I'm literally... They will go elsewhere. I just don't want to kill them. What do you mean? We're not gonna kill them.
We are.
We're not. This would be the AC unit. We're not gonna touch that. It's nice and tucked away from the rest of the space. Oh, it's not bad. A light sand and a little bit of oil, and it's gonna be good to go. Great. We are not interested in leaving. Other way, guys. Other way. This way. Poor harmless creatures. Yeah, are they useful to society? I don't know. No more cloportes here. Why don't we remove it entirely then? This and the other ones too. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Quick. Quick. There we go. She's saved. These were not for outdoors initially. It works for sure. We're just removing the back, which is cardboard. We can just leave them as is. Rosemary's dead. Look at that. We've made so much progress. We basically used brushes and a broom to remove all of the spider webs, to take care of, the dead leaves and that kind of thing. And now it's time to wash. We're gonna use 2 different things. My friend has a water hose that we can use to spray water onto the wall and the different items. And then we're going to use this cleaner to take care of the floor. I think the floor is going to be the most satisfying transformation. Oh, one thing to mention about this hose is that when she bought this place and renovated it, she added water access on the outdoor side, so on the wall outside. And that is such a convenient trick because now she can clean very easily her outdoor space whenever she needs. And I mean, somebody amazing, I'm sure, gave you this incredible idea. And 4, no more spiders.
Yay!
Oh yeah. Oh my God, guys. Guys. No products, nothing, just water. Guys, just water. We are halfway done. I am covered in dust. The camera is covered in dust. I'm so happy with the result of the sanding of this table. Last year, couldn't finish it. That was very frustrating. This year, started again, sanded everything down. First pass with a 80 grit sandpaper, second pass with a 180. So it is very nice and soft. I just remove the dust with a rag. This is teak. Teak will turn gray over time, so that's something to keep in mind. If you want the wood to keep this color, it's not gonna happen. But using this product, this finish here, will hopefully preserve the wood and just keep it nice and clean, hopefully a few seasons. Let's apply this product now. I want to be generous. We're probably going to do 3 coats. Not all 3 coats might be done for the reveal, but that's totally fine. You get an idea. This looks so much better now already. So let's do it. Let's go. It's a clear finish. It smells good. Du cœur, de l'amour à ton... Ah! Waouh! C'est vrai qu'elle est belle, ta table.
Bah oui! Quand elle est bien...
C'est sûr que si tu l'as achetée comme ça...
Bah...
Chante, rossignol, chante dans la nuit. Done here. We worked really hard, but in just one afternoon we completely transformed this space. We really didn't need like a new furniture and nothing like that. We just used everything we already had. The table is so pretty now, so colorful. It really pops. We didn't get to gardening, but perhaps next time we can do some planting and gardening. So just a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of elbow grease, and you have a wonderful outdoor space that you can enjoy. My friend is going to be spending so much time here. I'm so happy for her. She really gets to listen to the birds and relax and chill here, and she really deserves it. So I really love her pillows, her cushions here that she already had, because it brings some colors and matches the wall. So that's a super cool detail we've got here. Maintaining your space is so worth it. I hope you're inspired to do the same, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Anaïs, what do you think of this room makeover?
Je vais dire juste bye guys.
Bye guys!
Damn, putain, ça fait du bien quand c'est fini.